Okay, so today we are going to be talking about using Java jar files to run Java programs as executables. That means they're not going to have that crappy DOS prompt that you're used to seeing. They're just going to be a window if you're using a JFrame. So this really isn't for people who haven't used frames yet. So unless you know how to use JFrames or Windows or frames, this video will not help you in any way. So right now, first thing I gotta do is, of course, write a program that will open a window. So I'm not gonna show you guys how slow I type, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this. Okay, so now that we have our program written, I'll run it for you. And you can see it just creates a simple little window. But it has this annoying big black screen that comes with it. And you can't get rid of it. If you close this, then the window goes away. So this is why we create jar files. It gets rid of this black window. And it makes it a lot easier to run the program. You don't have to have TextPad or anything. So I'll just close this. First thing we gotta do, create a new window. We have to create what's called a manifest file. Just don't worry about why it's called a manifest file. It just simply tells the jar executable where the main class is. You can also use the manifest file to tell the jar executable other stuff, but it's kind of complicated, so we're not going to get to that right now. Well, the main class is the class that has main, so it's the class you run. So just copy that example window, paste it in there. And now what's kind of weird about manifest files, which can screw you up totally, you have to remember to hit enter. If you don't hit enter, it won't work. And now you save the file as, I saved mine as manifest.txt. And yes, I do want to replace it. And ironically, the only way you can make the DOS prompt go away is to use DOS prompt commands. So, look, open command prompt. We're going to go to location of the manifest file and the location of the example window, or the class file. So, we go, if you don't know how to use command prompt, then just follow exactly what I'm doing. F: puts me in the F drive. CD, and now you type in the location, so it's Java/Johns/Java / and close quotes, hit enter, and that'll put you in the correct location. And now the command for making a jar is as follows. CFM V for view. You don't have to have the V in there, but this is just to make sure you're putting everything in right. You put the name of the jar file. So let's name this example jar.jar. Now the name of the manifest, so manifest.txt, and the name of the class. And if you have more than one class, just put them in sequentially. So example window.class, and we hit enter, and it adds the manifest and adds the example window. And now let's go and check it out. We go to the folder with everything in it, and let's click and double click on the jar file, and there we go. We have a nice executable file without any big black DOS prompt. It's wonderful. Alright, so be sure to visit the website. It's johnsjava.webs.com. I'll have instructions on making the jar file up, and this example window if you want to test it, and this example manifest file. I might actually even put the jar file up there. So yeah, check out the website and subscribe to the videos if you like them. See you soon.